Hello and welcome to Latch Paint. Listen, I am so excited for this video because it is my first long form video. And I am learning how to go about creating these long form videos and making sure that they are appealing to the eye. So as you can see, I was playing with the lighting and I was like, okay, that's too bright with the flash from the phone. And so I just used the overhead light within my home. And so as you can see, my babies need some TLC. And I thought this was so funny because you'll see within the clip, like, look at this one part right here. This is how you bring puppies and back to life when they're like, they have too much amniotic fluid within. So you gotta shake them up a little bit or rub their back. If you're not familiar with that, go find some videos on YouTube and you'll see like those newborn babies that may need a little extra help with their breathing and getting that fluid going. And so they'll rub them really gently, but really fast and aggressively to get that fluid out of their lungs so they can breathe. But this video is not about puppies. It's about painting. So here we are.